Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and it dawned on me that I have not shown you how to find the list of all the built-in functions. So alright, let's just do that. So a couple videos ago we learned about the help prompt. So built-ins. I can't remember if it's built-in or built-ins, but there it is, built-ins. So let's look right here. So now here is every single function that is predefined that the developers of Python have done for us, and we've done a lot of them, heading towards most of them. We have a couple that are still out there. We haven't gotten there yet. But if you were to run this and look through them, you will see that you know almost all of them. So I wanted to make sure that we did do this, just a real quick video today for Friday. And also I just want to say, I just can't say enough. Haven't done it in a while. But thank you so much for all the views, all the comments. And if there's anybody that you know that is interested in programming and says they can't learn it, why don't you send them the link to this channel and see what they say? Because you're watching it. Give me some feedback and let me know, is it good enough that you'd want to share or not share? And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, we have videos coming out all the time. And they're little micro videos. If you haven't noticed that, we just do one topic, at the most 2 topics, but we try to keep it one topic so it's all searchable, so you can see it. Can't remember how to do it, but you can come back and watch it. So we're doing a real quick video today, but just wanted to show you that there is a way to find all the predefined functions out there that can be very handy, so you don't have to sit there and write a function that Python already has done the work for you. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and super important, the notification bell. And if you have any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests, please jot them down in the comments and I will jump right on it, because that really helps me lead the channel in the direction that you need it, and this channel is for you. I want this to be the one place that you come to look for everything you need to know about Python. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.